Hi everybody and welcome back to the Creative Kindergarten YouTube channel. My name is Amanda and I love using this YouTube channel to give you some little quick and easy tutorials on using different tech tools for your kindergarten classroom or maybe for your personal life. I'm also joined by Tequila. She's down here today sleeping on my lap. So if you see her head pop up, she's just chilling out on my lap today. But yeah, I wanted to just hop on. I had shared on my Instagram on my Tech Tip Tuesday post that I like to use Google Keep to organize all the different to-do lists that I might have for myself, for my classroom, for my business. And somebody asked if I could do a quick tutorial to show you how to make your own headers for Google Keep. And this is such an easy way to personalize Google Keep and all of your to-do lists. And I thought that would be a great little tutorial for you if you want to make your own little headers. I know I like just personalizing things like that. Today, I'm going to use Canva to show you how to do this. Canva is a website that you can use to basically do any kind of graphic design things that you might like to do. So I made some jam labels the other day. I make my own jam at home and I made some jam labels to put on my jam jars. I have made little posters. I use it for Instagram. I use it for Pinterest. I use it for a lot of things. And Canva is just a great little graphic design tool that is web-based that just really lets you personalize and make things that are really nice looking. I also use it for making slideshows and presentations as well. Just a really great tool to have. If you don't already use Canva, I will put my affiliate link down below. You can use Canva completely free. I pay for a Canva membership monthly, but that's just because I use it a whole lot, but by no means do I think you need a Canva membership. But if you sign up using my affiliate link for a free account, you can get a Canva credit. And basically that means is that if there is something that you want that you would have to pay for, you would just use the Canva credit instead and you can get something for free. You'll get a credit and I get a credit. And so that's just something that you can do. And I'll make sure I put that affiliate link for you down below. But today we're just going to be creating our very own headers. And I'm just going to do a really quick little tutorial on how to do this in Canva. If you're doing PowerPoint or you can also do this in Google Slides, basically all you want to do is create a design or make your slides in PowerPoint or Google Slides using custom dimensions. So I wrote it down. You're going to want a width of 6 inches and a height of 3 inches. So over here, this is currently in pixels. You want to change it to inches, and you want a width of 6 inches and a height of 3 inches. And then you're just going to create a design. And what Canva does is it just makes a custom slide kind of looking deal in the size that you ask it to. And then from there, you can there's lots of templates, but we don't need a template right now. But if you needed a template, if you're creating something else, you could use a template. We basically just want to put words to make our headers for our to-do list. So I'm going to go and create a text box over here. And so you could be creating to-do lists for a variety of things. Like I showed you over here, I have a text box for my to-do list, for my shopping list, for my blogs, and for my teachers pay teachers. And if it's a summer right now, so I don't have a class to-do list, but if I had a class to things to do for my classroom, it's right there. So over here, you could be, I'm just going to create a brand new one just to have fun with it. Maybe you're going to create a party to-do list. So you're having a party. So you're going to create a party to-do list. I type the word, and then over here you're going to see that there's a variety of font options for you. You'll probably want one that's nice, big and bold so that it stands out. I'm just going to use the Sunborn font that's here. And now I have my font and text ready to go, but it's kind of really small, so I'm going to stretch it using the little corner sizing thing over here and stretch it to be really big. You can also just choose the size of the font that you want there, and then I want to make sure that it's centered. So with Canva, you can drag and drop until you see the guiding lines showing you the middle, or you can come over here to the position and click on center and middle, and it'll put it right into the center of that slide. And so you can do like this. That's it. All you needed was that, or you can just keep customizing it. So Canva just recently added this little effects tab here, And so what you can do is choose if you want to put a shadow behind the words. Maybe you want to do like a little, they call it a lift, make it hollow. I'm going to splice it, and then over here I'm going to pick putting that in yellow just because that's really going to stand out. So again, you could stop here, you have your text, you're ready to go, but maybe you want to change the background color. So as you can see, I have different background colors depending on the text list. So maybe the slide in the background could match that color. So I can go to the background here and just, you can pick to have an image as the background, or you could just pick it as a color as the background. You can do whatever you want to do. Maybe let's see if they have any background images that could be used for the party scene. Doesn't look like they have a whole lot. What you can do is go to the photos though, and then put here balloons. And then you see how they have different images. If you drag and drop a picture and put it behind into the background, it's not doing it. It'll go actually right into the background and slide on there, so you can have an image. Yeah, just a lot of different things. You can really play around with the different transparencies so that it's not so bold. And you can still see the words, but you can see that there's balloons behind it. There's really a lot that you can do. You can play around with the different things to really personalize your slides, your headers for your to-do list. So once you have one made, you don't have to keep repeating the process for every one. You can actually just come over here and duplicate that page and just type in the new word that you need. Maybe it's a shopping list you need, but that's a longer word, so I'm going to have to make my font smaller. Let's come down here, stretch it to fit right into the middle, and again, just center. And maybe my shopping list will have, I don't know, what would be in the background of a store. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to pick one. And then you could just keep changing out the background images to match what your to-do list is going to be. So that was just a really quick and easy way. You can keep playing with the different elements that they have. They actually have little graphics that you can use. Play around with the different fonts. You can play around with the different colors, all that kind of stuff. It's just a really easy way to make your own customized, really anything at this point. I've used it for just about everything. But once you're done and you're happy with your design, you can come over to the download button, and you're going to want to make sure you're downloading it as a PNG. And I'm only going to download page 1, but you can download all the different pages. And then once you hit download, it's going to put the design that you just made into your downloads folder. And from there, you're ready to upload it into Google Keep. So what you're going to want to do is start a new note, and it's really easy because you just come up here and you can add a note. I'm going to call it my party. And here where you see it says add image, you go and you're just going to add your party image. And now you've created your own custom header for this for your to-do list here. And you can just do regular notes where you type something in and it's the note that you're typing, or you can make checkboxes. I like using checkboxes when I'm doing to-do lists. And all you would do is just show text boxes here and then just type in what you need. Cake, maybe you need chairs. I don't know, what else do you need for a party? A sign. And you're ready to go with your new customized heading for Google Keep. You'll see that it'll put it right there. If you use Google Keep on your computer, you can also use it on your phone. You can use it on your tablet. You can basically use it on any device that's hooked up to the internet, and it'll update it in real time. So if you add something, let's say you're on Pinterest and you're looking up parties and you're adding party supplies to your to-do list on your computer, well then once you go to your phone, you can also have Google Keep on your phone, and that to-do list will be on there too. So when you go to the store, it'll be right at your fingertips instead of, I know I'm usually writing to-do lists down on sticky notes, and then I put the sticky note somewhere and I forget where I put it, or I don't know, I put it in one purse and I don't have my purse with me. Whatever it is, I'm always losing sticky notes. I always have my phone with me though. So having my to-do list and my different things on my phone has just made my life so much easier, and Google Keep has just really been a really big help in keeping me organized. So this is just a really nice way to customize it as well, so that yeah, you can have your to-do list with you wherever you are. If you have any questions about how to make headers for your different to-do list, or questions about anything that I did with this within this video, or there's any other tutorials that you would like to see, anything like that, make sure you leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you stay subscribed so that whenever I put out new videos, you'll get a notification, so you'll see all my future tutorials that come out. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, make sure that you do, because every Tuesday I put out a new Tech Tip Tuesday post where I show my best tech tips for teachers and educators, so that any new tools that I find, any new websites or anything like that, I like to share them out over on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me there. I will put a link for that in the description as well. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that this video was helpful for you. And yeah, I will see you all next time.